hands up for the 519. We make moves all the way to the 905. We the north in this bitch, we show them how to ride. So put them up high for the 519. I said put your hands.
What is good, EssTV gang? Back with another reaction today. It's the man, the myth, the northern legend himself. Us! Coming to you from Canada. How have y'all been, man? Where my K-pop fans at? Huh? Drop a whatever you want in the comment section as long as you also drop that hashtag ETG. Alright? Road to 25K. Thank you all so much. I know it's been a minute. But the Alter Ego mixtape is dropping on all streaming platforms along with the music video on September 17th at midnight. I hope you guys, especially my K-pop fans, you know, Blackpink, whatever, who do enjoy hip-hop. There's a track for everybody on this. I poured my heart into this project. I took my time with it, crafting it to my standard of perfection. So I hope that when the time comes, y'all, I can count on y'all to, you know, show some love on that project because I did it all for you. Anyways, today, what do we have here? We got somebody new on the channel. First time ever hearing. Okay, and I've gotten quite a few on the Icon and the Stray Kids comment sections. I got a lot. Once in a while, I get a request for these guys. We got another K-pop group today, ladies and gentlemen. So for the first time ever, I clicked on the one that first popped up, one of the most popular ones, of course. So we're going to see what we're going to get into. But for the first time ever, we are reacting to ATEEZ, Fireworks. I'm the One, official music video. Don't know what to expect, y'all. But as usual, I got the closed captions on, and I'll show you in the middle of the video, okay? That I do have them on. If you're new here, welcome to the EssTV gang. Don't forget to like this video. Drop a comment and you better subscribe. Follow me over at official EssTV on social media. Twitter and Instagram. Okay? Trying to build that up. Also, Spotify, Apple Music. Go out into your playlist. Get ready for that mixtape, alright? Anyways, that's enough jibber jabber, pitter patter. I'm excited. You know, I always get hyped for the K-pop reactions. Without any more hesitation, without further ado, on the count of 3, let's get into this. Uno, dos saques, tres.
What? First time hearing ATEEZ. Pow!
Shout out to KQ Entertainment, by the way. Fireworks, okay. Oh, here we go. Okay. Others just peep what? What do they peep? Look at those drunk fools. What? Oh, dang. Again, here we go again. Yo, I'm just gonna give up because literally each one of these Stray Kids, Icon, ATEEZ now, BTS, there's so many members. Oh my goodness. I was expecting a beat drop, but each boy band, well, each K-pop boy band that I've heard finds a unique way in their own right to in the way they do things to drop in on that beat, that drum, that kick. As soon as it drops, woo, they be hitting you with the funk. As soon as it drops, they get the choreo and the dance moves going. So let's go back. And he also, whoever this dude is rapping right now, rapping, he picking it up. He's going double time. What? All right, let's go. Okay. Damn. Look at that. Go back 5. Look at the backdrop. Man, that's some good CG. Green screen. The sky. I know that they're there in that location with all the props, with all the items there in the video. But the screen, you could tell, like the sky, that's some good effects, man. Ooh, went back 5. Like right here. Who's this? Beyond, what does that mean? Fireworks? Or I'm the one? In Korean, I think. Please don't kill me in the comments. They are K-pop, right? So is that what that means? I don't know. Please be friendly. Don't hate. Drop a comment. I think I went back, yeah? Went back 10. Hold up. Go back 5? Again? Sorry? Yo, I forgot to address to anybody that's new here. We like to pause. We like to comment on what we see. Lyrics, visuals, choreo, anything. Okay? Instruments playing. It doesn't matter. But, again, is that one place, they call it like Hell's Gate or something, that's constantly burning over in the desert, and they don't know why? I don't know. Could be. Or they just set it on fire. Anyways, went back 5. This is fire, man. No pun intended. Oh, that's cool. Okay, last pause, okay? Burn it up is what they just said. I just want to show you guys who don't, if in case they don't pop up, because like I've explained in many videos before, the captions are on my screen right now. I don't know if you guys can see it right now. So I don't know if they're popping up for you in the video in the corner, but I am reacting to it with the captions. Go back 5. So I do apologize for any discrepancies there. Damn, that was definitely a firework display. Oh, I'm assuming that was a teaser for something else, huh? They're going on Marvel Cinematic on this one. You know, after the credits roll, they got a little teaser for something new. At the time when this came out anyways. This was March 1st. Well, hot damn. That was the first time ever hearing ATEEZ fireworks. It definitely was a firework of a track. Yeah. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like it. Please hit that thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the bell for post notifications. And until next time on EssTV, I will catch y'all on the next one. Drop a request on some more ATEEZ y'all want to see a reaction to. And that's it for today on EssTV. You know who it is. It's the big, bad boy from the bridge.